There's a practical question looking at independence to give it a bit of real context. Diabetes and ethnicity. In New Zealand, 14% of the population of Maori descent, and 6% of the population has diabetes across the whole country. If the probability of being Maori and having diabetes at the same time, so randomly select someone in New Zealand, there's a 2.5% chance of that happening. Okay, so the question is, are the two events, your ethnicity, in this case being Maori, and having diabetes, are they independent? We've got three probabilities there built into the question, and we put them to the test. You probably know the answer, possibly know the answer before we start, and that's fine. If they were to be independent, then we could simply multiply the probability of being Maori times the probability of having diabetes, and it would give us the probability of both happening at once. So we go to the numbers and we multiply them together, and we're 0.14 times 0.06. That gives us 0.0084, or 0.8%, just under 1%. However, in the population, the real value, the actual answer for probability of being Maori, independent, and having diabetes is 0.025, or 2.5% of the population. So they aren't independent, those two things. In fact, there's a relationship. In fact, for one of the realities for our health system is that for Maori people, the probability of having diabetes is actually much higher. And there is certainly an ethnic issue there that needs to be dealt with. Okay, so that's one example of how that might be used in practice.